Your hands shouldn't feel numb when you wake up. Your legs shouldn't feel shaky when you stand from a chair. And yet, millions of older adults are quietly experiencing tingling hands, weak legs, slow healing, and joint stiffness without realizing the real problem hiding behind it all. Their body is starving for collagen. After 50, your natural collagen drops every single year, and by 70, you've lost more than half. That's why your grip feels weaker, your knees feel unstable, your skin bruises easily, and your tendons take longer to heal. The good news is your body can still rebuild strength, stability, and mobility if you feed it the right collagen-boosting foods every day. Imagine waking up with warm hands instead of cold fingertips, walking without knee pressure, climbing stairs without burning in your thighs, and sleeping without that annoying numbness in your fingers. This isn't a dream. This is what happens when seniors start eating the right collagen-rich and collagen-activating foods that switch the body back into repair mode. These foods don't just support hair, skin, and nails. They restore the entire structure of your body from the inside out. There are 32 powerful collagen foods every senior should focus on. Some help your body produce collagen, others protect it from breaking down, and some directly supply the amino acids your nerves, muscles, and joints are begging for. Start with bone broth, the #1 natural source of type I collagen for joint cushioning and nerve protection. Follow it with salmon, sardines, and mackerel, fatty fish that contain glycine, proline, and omega-3s that strengthen nerve function and reduce inflammation behind tingling sensations. Add eggs, especially the yolks and membrane, because they contain lutein and collagen-building nutrients your nerves need to fire correctly. Don't underestimate chicken skin, turkey, and lean beef. These provide type 2 collagen, which supports cartilage, keeping knees and ankles strong. Then come the collagen activators, citrus fruits like oranges and lemons that deliver vitamin C, allowing your body to convert protein into real collagen fibers. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries contain anthocyanins that protect existing collagen from breaking down. Leafy greens like spinach and kale supply chlorophyll, a natural collagen stimulator. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in lysine, a key amino acid that seniors often don't get enough of, which is why wounds take longer to heal. Now add the powerhouse foods most seniors ignore. Avocados, rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, protect collagen from oxidative damage. Tomatoes contain lycopene, improving circulation and reducing the nerve pressure that causes tingling. Sweet potatoes and carrots deliver vitamin A, essential for collagen repair. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios offer copper and zinc, two minerals that keep collagen elastic and strong. Pumpkin seeds support muscle fibers and nerve pathways. Chia seeds and flax seeds provide natural omega-3s for nerve strength. Then there's garlic, packed with sulfur that helps your body rebuild collagen faster. Another hidden gem is bone-in sardines. The tiny edible bones provide calcium and collagen in one bite. When seniors add even half of these foods, 32 in total, something amazing happens. Their hands feel warmer because circulation improves. Tingling fades as nerves get the amino acids they need. Legs feel stronger because collagen rebuilds the connective tissues that support every step. Stiff joints loosen as cartilage gets nourished. Skin looks firmer, nails stop breaking, and energy increases because collagen supports mitochondria, the engine of every cell. Picture yourself 3 weeks from now. You wake up and your hands don't tingle anymore. You stand up with steady legs, not wobbly ones. You walk with confidence instead of hesitation. You sleep better because your nerves aren't firing randomly during the night. This transformation doesn't require supplements, expensive treatments, or painful routines. It starts with simple collagen foods added to your daily meals. Your body is always trying to heal. It just needs the building blocks. Every bite of these collagen-supporting foods becomes new strength, new stability, new confidence. You deserve hands that feel alive, legs that feel powerful, and a body that supports you at any age. Start today. Your future self will thank you with every steady, pain-free step.